How to mark message as spam on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mark message as spam on Truecaller. First open Truecaller. Now now just go to messages and select any chat you want, and now let's mark this message here. Hold on it, then click the 3 points, and here we'll find mark as spam, and then click mark as spam, and that's it. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.